So I am super bullish on ENS domain names, ENS names. And here you can see Vitalik posted this like 1 or 2 days ago that he's really bullish on ENS names. And he says that ENS domains are great and will become even greater. And when you see Vitalik bull posting, being bullish on something in crypto before we experience the crypto bull run, you are really early. And my prediction is that most of the ENS names are super undervalued, because when the actual bull run starts, everyone will see and understand and FOMO into the ENS names. Even the ENS token, I think it costs right now around $17, but I think the most valuable assets are the actual ENS names, and there are many ENS Grails. And if you don't understand what I mean by ENS names, for example, I have registered johnsavage.eth. You can register like superman.eth, but all these Grails are already taken. You can buy them though, but if you want to, and I would recommend you to register your own first name, last name. You can do that on the Ethereum name service website. It's not that expensive because the gas fees right now are super low. That's why I would recommend you take advantage of the cheap gas fees, because the fees will most likely go up because that's Ethereum. And again, Vitalik is bullish. He has been bullish on Ethereum name service, ENS names, since like 2022, 2023. And he will be attending keynote or something like that. He will be one of the speakers. And if you want to find great like Grails, ENS name Grails, I would recommend you to go on this website called ENS Vision or vision.io. They just changed their name, but here on this website you can find many categorized names. For example, Pokemon Generation 1 names, American names, 4-letter names, 4-letter man names or girl names. These are basically Grails. Also digits. Don't sleep on 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. I mean ENS names. These will go up significantly, and I mean 10x, 20x, 50x, depending on what type of Grails do you have or you want to buy or you believe in. I own many Russian Grails in the ENS ecosystem. There are also Chinese names, Arabic names like Arabic numbers, which will go insane as well, because maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but in Dubai, when the rich people buy cars, the second thing they want to buy and they want to flex is their car number, the digits. You can see this. I think someone paid like $8 million on the digit 1 in Arabic, something like that. That's why Arabic numbers, Arabic names will be huge. Don't fade Chinese ENS names, because I remember Chinese names went so high in like 2022 when there was the first ENS bull run. But the upcoming ENS Euphoria in 2024, 2025 will be so much bigger. That's why take advantage, because right now the prices are really low. Everything is cheap. Tokens are cheap. We are in September, in mid-September, which means that, as you may know, the Q4 is really bullish for crypto. Although September is the worst month for crypto, or the third worst month, something like that, the October is one of the best months, because, as you know, people are coming from vacations. They are deep into their work in schools. Q4 is also the time when you buy gifts, you spend money on presents, on Black Friday. It's really a great time to make money. And if you see the global liquidity cycle, we are starting to go up, and I think the whole 2025 will be full-blown crypto euphoria, the biggest bull run that you have ever seen, because institutions are here, BlackRock is here, the mainstream media is talking bullish. We might get a president that is bullish on crypto. That's why don't fade the ENS names. And again, Vitalik is bullish. In 2020, he was really bullish on Uniswap, and you see what happened. You could get an airdrop from Uniswap worth around $10,000. That's why don't sleep on these projects that Vitalik is bullish on, because when the bull run comes, you will be too late. Because when everyone jumps in, it's already too late. That's why do your research. Go on ENS Vision. You will have so many ideas what type of names you want to buy, or you will understand what is Grail, and maybe you will find some ideas and you will register some new names. I have like 50 names. I have many CryptoPunks numbers like Punk 444. So yeah, that's basically the crypto alpha video I wanted to make, because this wave will come and it will come fast, because people will catch on. You can already see people buying NFTs, CryptoPunks, Bored Apes. The Bored Ape creators, Yuga Labs, have been releasing so much stuff. So smart people understand that Q4 is huge for crypto, and many people understand that 2025 is crypto bull run, because crypto bull runs correlate with the liquidity cycles. That's why do your own research. Thanks for watching. Press thumbs up, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.